Your straight hits harder if you set it up with one feint. Watch. Okay, setting up this feint is 3 steps. Pretty simple. What you want to do is sell that first part of it. So you got to sell the feint. That means that you got to make it look like you're going to actually punch. So when you do this, you will do a motion with your body, whether it's a shoulder motion or a little bit of hand motion, but you'll put some kind of a quick motion to it. So a quick motion, even with a little bit of your feet involved, then you're going to take a little step. So you feint it, take a little step, shoot your straight, whether it's your jab or your cross. So you feint it, take a little step, shoot your straight punch, right? So a little quick with that. So feint, okay? Do that for about 30 seconds and stay relaxed in between. Make sure you're working your breathing as you're doing it. So just relaxing your shoulders. If you have to, drop your hands at first, right? And then going. Okay, here's some tips that you can use to get better at this. Make sure that you're working on twisting your hips, whether you're shooting with your lead foot here, twisting that lead hip, or your back one, which is your right, or if you're unorthodox, it'll be the left. So you're twisting that hip, working on shooting your arm straight, making sure that your chin stays down. So don't have your chin up and you're punching like this, chin down, so that way when you shoot your punch, your chin is protected by your shoulder. All right, and then make sure you're breathing in between each one, so that way you get your exhale in. So looks like that, and then just staying relaxed from there. Trying to keep your feet from just being locked on the floor, right? Have your heels off the floor just slightly from there. All right, so from here you'll feint and you'll shoot your straights. Here for feint, shoot your straights. Okay, comment for your toughest step that you had on this, and follow for more boxing technique drills.